Hey, what's up? Currently, I'm in the back roads of northern Missouri, up by Cosby. A few years ago, we did a barn pick where we picked up about 1,000 wood vintage Vietnam era wood hand grenade crates. Remember those videos? And we did that, and the farmer bulldozed that building. Well, there's another building that we picked some merchandise out of. There's a lot of vintage military and civil defense electronics from back in the 1950s, 1960s. I'm going to pull in here in a little church parking lot so I can get myself aligned. Thank God I missed that ditch.
In 600 feet, make a U-turn.
My GPS plugged in. Anyway, so it came up here, and there's some cool electronics we picked up, but also there's a Vietnam era helicopter pilot that was buried in the corner.